Hi dear children, good morning. Today we will learn different types of quadrilaterals. What? Different types of quadrilaterals. Okay. First we have to study parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. What is meant by quadrilateral? Yes, quadrilateral is a simple closed figure. Then how many sides have? Yes, four sides. That is simply we say that four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Okay. This one type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Okay. This is simple closed figure with the four sides. Okay. Then how many sides are? Four sides. What are the sides? Yes. Side AD, then DC, then CB, then BA. Okay, these are the sides of the quadrilateral. Okay, this is which type quadrilateral? Parallelogram. Okay, then what is the properties of parallelogram? Yes, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides. Yes. Yes, what is the opposite side of AD? Yes, this is the opposite side of AD. That is AD parallel to BC. Then DC parallel to AB. Okay, that means here parallelogram contains two pairs of parallel sides. Two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, but first property, opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Here, which two pairs of the sides parallel? Yes, AB parallel to DC and then AD parallel to BC. Okay, AD parallel to BC. Okay, these are the two pairs of parallel sides. Okay, then our second property, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides. Here, what is the opposite side of AD? BC. That means these two sides are equal. Then another one pair of opposite side, DC and AB. These two sides also equal. Okay. That means the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Then next one property, opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Then another one property, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Here what is the, how many angles have one parallelogram? Yes, four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Okay. What is the opposite angle of angle A? Yes, opposite angle C. Opposite angle of angle D? Angle B. Okay. Here opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Here which are the opposite angles here? Angle A equal to angle C. Then angle D equal to angle B. Okay. First three property all of you understood? Yes. The next property, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. What is meant by supplementary? Supplementary means is angle sum equal to 180 degree. Angle sum equal to 180 degree. That's studied in 7th standard. Supplementary, complementary, linear pair angles. If you remember that? Yes. Supplementary angle means what? This angle sum equal to 180 degree. Here what is our property? The adjacent angles means what? Yes, nearest angle. Here what is the adjacent angle of A? Adjacent angle of A is equal to B. Adjacent angle of B equal to C. Adjacent angle of D equal to angle A. Okay. Adjacent angle means nearest. Okay, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. That means what? Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree and angle D plus angle C equal to 180 degree, angle C plus angle B equal to 180 degree and angle A plus angle D is also 180 degree. Okay, that means adjacent angles make what? Linear pair or supplementary. Okay. Next property. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What is meant by diagonal? Yes, how can draw diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment drawing to opposite vertices, opposite vertex. Okay. So first diagonal, then second diagonal. Okay. First diagonal, second diagonal. Okay. These two diagonals not equal, but here given what? The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Here bisect in time, here make equal measure. That means what? Here I give one point, that is that center represents O. That means AO equal to, that is side, that is this distance AO equal to OC and what? DO equal to OB. Okay, that means here the word equally, that is bisect each other. Okay, next. The four sides and four angles of a parallelogram are called its element. What are the elements of the parallelogram? Yes, four sides and four angles are called elements of the parallelogram. What are the elements of the parallelogram? Say, yes, what are the four angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And what are the sides? Yes, AD, then DC, then CB, then P. Okay, these are the elements of the parallelogram. Roughly understood? So what are the properties of a parallelogram? First property, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Opposite sides parallel. Okay. Next, the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. These two sides equal, that is that line segment measure, that is equal lengths are equal. Next, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles equal. Okay, that means angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Next, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angles, okay, nearest angles make supplementary. Next, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, next, the four sides and four angles are called elements of the parallelogram. All of you understood? Yes. Write all these properties with this figure. Yes. Next type of quadrilateral is trapezium. Okay. This is another type of a quadrilateral. Okay. Here also this trapezium contains how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 angles. 4 angles. Okay. 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay. What are the properties of this trapezium? Yes, this is a four-sided simple closed figure. Then what? One pair of parallel sides. Okay. Here these two sides are parallel, but these two sides not parallel. Here extending this, then here these two lines intersecting. Okay. So these two lines are not parallel. Okay. Here DC parallel to, here is DC parallel to AB. Okay, this is the symbol for parallel. That is, here this symbol denoted as parallel. Okay, here this is read as DC parallel to AB. Okay, that is here, that is trapezium contains one pair of parallel sides. A quadrilateral having a pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. Okay. Trapezium is a quadrilateral and it has what? 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, and important property what? Is one pair of parallel sides. Okay, then another one type of trapezium, isosceles trapezium. What is mean by isosceles triangle? Yes, in a triangle, length of any two sides are equal, then that type of triangle is called isosceles. Here what? One pairs of sides, okay, one pairs of sides are equal, then that type trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Here what? These two sides are parallel, then make trapezium. Then another one extra quality also here have that what? These two sides also in equal in length. Okay, that means PS equal to QR. Okay, so this type of trapezium is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium contains one pair of parallel sides and one pair of equal sides. Okay, right, that trapezium and different type of one trapezium, isosceles trapezium also. Yes, next type of quadrilateral is kite. Okay, all of you know kite, that is symbol നമ്മുടെ പട്ടം പറത്തുന്ന പട്ടം. Okay, this is a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Why it is a quadrilateral? It is a simple closed four-sided figure. That means four-sided polygon. It is a quadrilateral having two distinct consecutive pairs. Distinct means different consecutive pairs. Consecutive pairs nearest, consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Okay, here which are the consecutive pairs of the sides? Is here AB. Okay, these two sides are equal and these two sides have equal in length. Okay, so AB equal to, that is side AB equal to side AD. Okay, then BC equal to what? DC. Okay, these are the important property of kite. Okay, here nearest, okay, consecutive pairs of the sides, consecutive pairs of the sides of equal length. This one pair of side, second pair of sides. Okay, first pair, second pair. Have you understood what we studied today? As one type of, first type of quadrilateral, parallelogram. Next trapezium. Next isosceles trapezium. Then kite. Have you understood? Let's write this also. This one question. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram PQRS and given figure also. Okay, one parallelogram given with the sides. Okay, here given PQ equal to 12 centimeter. What are the same side of PQ? SR. Okay, so SR is also what? 12 centimeter. Next, also given QR equal to 7 centimeter. QR equal to which side? Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite sides have equal in length. Okay, so QR equal to PS. Okay, so we get 4 sides of the parallelogram. Okay, then how can we find perimeter of any figure? Yes, sum of the length. Okay, total length of that figure. Okay, so perimeter equal to PQ plus then QR plus RS plus length of SP. Okay, so PQ equal to what? 12 centimeter. Then QR equal to 7 centimeter. Then next RS equal to 12 centimeter. Then SP equal to 7 centimeter. Then add 12 plus 12, 24 plus 7 plus 7, 40. Answer is equal to 38 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the given parallelogram. Understand? How can find perimeter? Find the total length of all sides of the given figure. Okay, right. Let's write one homework question. Page number 50. Exercise 3.3 question number 1. That is okay. First question only. Okay. In exercise 3.3 question number 1. All of you understood today's class? Understood. Okay. Now I wind up the class. We will meet again in the next class. Okay. Thank you.